Look at these craps over here. Look at this. Look at all this. Look at this crap. Look at 1.4 million. This crap. Look at, okay, I can give credit to this guy. He's a famous actor, Michael J. White. Okay, he's talking about fitness. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is okay. 2.3 million. Okay, we go with that. Look at this. This is crap. This is crap. 381 million views for crap shots. Look at this. This is crap. Real crap. Look at this. 1.2 million. Waste of time. Okay, this is good. You gotta be fitted. This guy's talking about fitness, how to do push-ups and all that. This is good. Look at his specs. This is good. And now we got Dr. Triye and Nas, and in the studio. Okay, but this right here, this guy's talking about investing, and look at this, only 65,000 views. So you can understand, you can see the mindset, analyze to see.